Hi everybody, Julie here with Northern Waters Cleansing Co. And I am making another batch of whipped body butter. Equal parts shea butter, cocoa butter, coconut oil, and avocado oil. So I have melted down my oils and butters, and when I did that, it was crystal clear, the mixture. But I've since popped it into the chest freezer so that I could cool it all down pretty quickly. You may have worked with shea butter before, and if you find that it ends up being sort of grainy, then that usually means it hasn't cooled down quick enough. So in order to avoid that, I pop it in the chest freezer for about, maybe 20 minutes, 25 minutes, and you get this sort of opaque looking mixture here now. So what I'm gonna do is use my trusty beaters, beat this up until it's a little bit bigger in volume. It doesn't quite double in volume, but it will get a little bit bigger in volume. And then I'll add in my fragrance and my colors I should say. And then I'll pipe it into the sanitized containers. The fragrance I'm using. You can use up to 25% of this fragrance oil in lotions and scrubs. I'm going to be using 5 mils of this fragrance and my trusty pipette. This is a 3 milliliter pipette. So there's 3, 2 more. So 5 in total. And I'll start blending that up again. Liking the way that's looking. It's definitely holding its shape well. So I'm going to split the body butter off into 2 sections. One I'm going to attempt to color slightly with some titanium dioxide, and the other one I will color with the Celestial Blue from Candora Soap.